What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Grab and Growl Indoraptor and the Sinceratops. So my sister went to go grab scissors and she'll be back. I'll show you Indoraptor. Then there's the Sinceratops. Is also compared to the Triceratops. They're that much alike. So my sister is now back. Instead of scissors, she has box cutter. So first we're gonna do Grab and Growl Indoraptor. Here, I'll open it. You give me the box cutter. No, I'll open it. No, Aubrey, I will.
They need to wash us.
So you're just going now. Cutting open all those. There's actually somebody that made one of the Sinceratopses out of a Triceratops. So, let me go ahead and get up on the 360 without the tail. That's all the way around it. Details, Ouroboros.
Just gotta get the tail.
Code. Yeah, I'm gonna scan it in a little bit. Now she's getting the tail.
Oh, you should give them the code. If they have the app, they could use the code.
No, they're not getting that code.
Why?
Yes, it's mine.
So, be nice to the viewers.
And then there's a mini. So now it's my turn. So we're using a S3 box cutter, not sponsored. So let's go ahead and set you guys right. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm gonna go and set you guys right up here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but here we go. Putting it. Huh. Oh. So what I do is that to keep the dino safe, I go on the plastic part to cut it. Back of it. Oh, hold on. Oof. There's the feet part. Cut that one. Then that one. Now there's only
Got the finishing touches.
last one.
Here is the full.
Get out of my way.
Oh, stop.
Then there's, oh, the last one. Don't play with knives, kids. And then, there we go. There he is. Code on the bottom. Don't scan that because I'm going to use it. Then we have yelling, and then so anyway, guys, that is the end of the video. That is the end, and we'll see you guys in a couple days or a couple weeks, or maybe tomorrow. See ya.